Four Seasons. Do you think she could sing one Beatles song for us?
Which
Something
one?
tells me she can't.
Which one? The one with the Beatles t-shirt?
Yeah. I bet you she can't.
Probably not.
Bet you if you ask her, hey, what's your favorite Beatles song?
Why don't you roll down the window and say, I want to hold your hand.
Yeah, right. She'll probably call the cops.
I want to hold your hand.
Yesterday seems so far away.
Yeah, she might get a little sentimental on that one. So let's go down to the canoe livery and see if we can take this thing in the water.
I actually got to get back and see if my folder's done. I almost drink your pop.
You drinking my pop?
Well, you should have got me one, you stingy Grooch. I had a customer that just said, darn it, bird just pooped on my car already. Maybe I should have gotten white.
I had a 81 Mustang T-top, all black. That's before they used clear coat. And if a bird pooped on it, you had to get it off right away because it would actually raise the paint and leave a permanent scar on the paint.
What's the craziest thing a customer came back to the dealership requesting of you after they bought a vehicle?
Yeah, this is a funny one. I sold this gal a Escape, and she had a bottle of water in her cup holder, and the water was vibrating inside the bottle. So she called me out to the car. She said, "There's something wrong with my car. There's a vibration." And I said, "Well, let me get in and I'll see what you're talking about." The water was vibrating inside the bottle, and she thought there was something wrong with the car. That is the craziest one ever.
Wow. Yeah,
I had to explain to her that probably any car would do that.
Yeah, especially Mercedes. Mine was a gentleman bought a vehicle off me, and he was in the church parking lot, and he ran into one of the poles that hold the lights for the parking lot. He brought it in, was all upset. He's never gonna see this because I know he doesn't have Facebook. He was like, "Hey, does my 3-year 36 bumper warranty cover this?"
Because he smashed in the bumper?
Yeah. I was like, and I thought he was joking at first. Maybe he just wanted a body shop. No. And then he was frustrated with me because I couldn't help him.
So he was actually serious.
Yeah.
Well, the word bumper's in there, so you'd think it was covered, right?
Yeah, I guess. Who needs insurance as long as you lease a vehicle, then you're covered in a bumper to bumper.
Yeah.